In the cooler months, we are so lucky because gorgeous mushrooms, just like pine mushrooms, come out. Scotty Pickett, one of my favourite chefs of all time, is going to show us his signature mushroom dish. Well, one of your many ones, but this is with polenta.
One of the many ones, but a really, really simple one for those cooler nights.
Oh,
it's a little bit cold inside.
Yeah.
It's soft polenta, sautéed pine mushrooms and gooey poached egg.
Now, polenta sometimes gets a bad rap, doesn't it?
It does, but if you cook it properly, silky smooth, finish it with lots of butter and olive oil and cheese, absolutely delicious.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to get that straight in because this takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook.
Okay.
Okay, now I've got a wonderful mushroom stock here. It's chicken stock based, but if you are a veggie or a pesco, you can just cover with water.
Yep.
Loads of mushrooms. A little bit of apple juice is my secret.
Really? I would never think to put apple juice. Why?
Just a little bit sweet.
I love
Beautiful.
that idea.
Yeah, depths of flavour.
And do you need to constantly whisk this for 15 minutes?
Oh, you don't have to stand by the pan and whisk, but just keep an eye on it too.
Sure.
Now, that's just come to the boil. I'm going to turn that right down.
Yep.
Right, just make sure it doesn't catch. Now, Josie, let's start on the mushies.
Okay.
Now, some garlic for you. That can be finely chopped.
Yep, 2 cloves.
Yeah, 2 cloves is fine. Then you can pick the time, and I'm going to chop the mushies. The polenta's on a slow simmer. Now, if you haven't got pine mushrooms, you can use any type of cultivated mushroom out there or wild mushroom. You could use slippery jacks, you could use shiitake, you could use button mushrooms, you could use wood fungus, any type of mushroom that you like,
Or
okay?
even just a mix, right?
Or just a mix of all of them.
Nice one.
Right, Josie, I reckon we're almost ready to bring this all together now.
Looks good.
Yeah, time to cook. So this has been going for 10 to 15 minutes.
Yep.
Let's go, Josie. Do you want to crack me an egg?
Can do.
And let's get moving. It's like a little service time now.
Oh, I love this.
Right, so
Always wanted to be your sous chef.
You
would
start
you
as an
say?
apprentice, maybe, Josie. Right, now, I've got my water that's boiling for a poached egg. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vinegar.
Little whirlpool.
Little whirlpool there. A little bit of centrifugal forces. And then I pop the egg in, keep him going.
Yep.
I'll leave that for, 2 to 3 minutes. Nice fresh egg, you can see already it's holding together. Now I've got a screaming hot pan here, good drizzle of olive oil. Now I'm going to put the mushies straight in.
Hot, so you really seal them off and they caramelise. Ooh.
Smoking, a couple of knobs of butter in there. Yeah, nice and flat in the pan. Okay, I've got the beautiful chopped garlic. It's a nice little sprinkle of that one.
Yep.
Some thyme through there. I can hear that sizzle already. Look, good twist of pepper.
Yep.
I'll put a little bit of salt in there. Now, these mushrooms literally take 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes.
Now, we're going to finish the polenta. So if you grab some parmesan for me.
Yes.
And microplane that.
Can do.
All into here. Let's go. I'll whisk. Yep, the egg's just sitting there, floating off the side, ready to be served. Loads of cheese. I'm going to put a good gurgle of olive oil in there as well too.
You don't want to be stingy with the cheese. And I guess polenta, before you season it with the cheese, the salt, the pepper, all the little bits and pieces that we're adding to it, it is quite bland. But then it becomes magic, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like a vehicle and a medium for all the fats, for the cheese, for the butter, for the olive oil. It's a nice little, bed for the egg just to sit on and, rest until we get into him.
Gorgeous.
All right.
Happy with that?
That's looking really good, Josie. Nice and smooth. Now, a couple of knobs of butter in there. 1, 2. And a little bit of lemon zest as well too. You want to grab your microplane again and go. Just a little bit of acid in there. There we go. Yeah, lemon zest in. And we are pretty much, even though you wouldn't believe it, almost ready to go.
Fantastic.
I'm going to chop some parsley quickly.
All right.
Yeah, just to go on the top. And a little bit in the mushrooms. So I'm going to finish that in my beautiful mushrooms. They're ready to go. That wonderful, gooey, soft polenta. Spoon. Cleaning up after me, which is always nice. Look at that.
Like I said, I'm your sous chef.
You are my sous chef. Okay, nice, soft, runny polenta. Now, this could be for dinner. It's also like a wonderful brunch dish as well too.
Absolutely, mushrooms. Your book's all about marrying flavours together, and this is a perfect example. Mushrooms, garlic, they love each other. Thyme, parsley, egg, they all come together. If you know the basics of that, then you can't go wrong, right?
No, that's it. That's it. Look at that wonderful little soft poached egg. Beautiful shape. Now, this would also Look at that. Yeah, don't drain the mushies. Straight all over it.
Wow.
Plenty of pineas. This is a dish for two. Or for me, if I'm hungry on a Sunday morning after a big week.
That's
Look at
one
this.
for me.
That's one for you. Nice little poached egg on. I'm going to finish in with a drizzle of olive oil, just a little pinch of salt, little cracked pepper, some of the fresh palmy on the top, and just a little bit of parsley, freshly chopped parsley, just on top. Screaming for truffle if you've got some in the fridge or lying around too. And then we have, look, a really simple dish, the soft polenta, poached egg, hopefully gooey in the middle, and sautéed pine mushrooms with parmesan.
We've got to try this one, absolutely.
Right, let's go in and check the egg. Is that egg gonna be gooey? Let's have a look. Oh, still got it, Jozzy.
You still got it. And you mix it all together, right?
Mix it all in.
That is one of your finest. I love it. I love it. I love it. All of those flavours together. Match made in heaven.